Hi folks, this is Anamol and welcome to the Down Below Talks. Now, as you can see behind me, welcome to the garden. Next few episodes will be about how I transformed this place into the proper garden. So before wasting any time, let's jump into this shit.
There we go, folks. Now I am just cleaning up the space so that I can plant some vegetable seeds. Weather here is pleasant, not that cold but not that hot as well. Feels like Italy. I have created one bed, now I am creating the second one. This is a hard work. Good things take time. I am going to pour some water. I thought it's a must. However, if a real gardener or farmer is watching this, please comment in comment section. Let me know if I am doing it correctly. Now I am planting spinach seeds and coriander seeds. No fertilizers were used in the process. It's completely natural organic. These are fenugreek seeds and dill leaf seeds. Now I am adding cluster beans on the sides of the bed. This is the preparation for the spring onions. The process of planting spring onions is very lengthy. You have to plant it one by one. It will give you good yield. Days pass by and seeds are sprouting. Look at these. Now it looks a bit like a garden. These are Cices plants. These are delicious and healthy. Once it starts growing, it grows at faster pace. New additions to the garden. So these are different kind of vines, like pumpkin, bitter melon, jasmine, and many more. All types of vines will grow perfectly on the wall. Aesthetically, it will look pleasant. Being a pizza lover myself, I always wanted to build my own pizza oven. So I decided to build one by myself. I can feel how every Italian must have felt. Now I can relate to Luigi. Unfortunately, the recordings of oven building process were accidentally deleted. I have certain recordings such as this one. This is my hand-built pizza oven and I used it to make breads. I made bread dough and put it in the oven. The aroma of bread and the smoke of firewood made it a perfect evening. In the end, bread was baked and after pouring some olive oil, we had a delicious bite of homemade bread. It was a good night. On that note, it's time to end this and I will see you in the next video. Ciao.